Hey there! Today we're tackling a problem related to creating a data frame with multiple entries from a list per date. The issue lies in handling the length of the data frame when trying to assign values from a list to specific dates. Let's dive into the details to find a solution that works smoothly. The solution to our problem involves using a cross-join method to merge the date range with the list of values. By utilizing the provided code snippet, we can generate a data frame that encompasses all the dates with their corresponding values. The join function combines the date range and the list of values effectively, ensuring that each date has all the intended entries attached to it. This method streamlines the process and prevents any discrepancies in the data frame lengths. In the resulting output, we can observe a comprehensive data frame with all the dates from the specified range paired with the values from the list. The join operation successfully combines the two data sources, resulting in a cohesive representation of each date with its associated values. This approach guarantees accuracy and completeness in the data frame, addressing our initial challenge with elegance and efficiency. To wrap it up, we've tackled the problem of assigning multiple entries from a list per date by leveraging a cross-join technique in poolers. This method seamlessly merges the date range and list of values, producing a structured data frame that encapsulates all the necessary information. Remember, a well-organized data frame keeps the data woes away. If you found the solution helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below. Your support means the world to us.